Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. They've been very volatile. The entire crypto sector has been extremely volatile. There have been a lot of developments in different markets, including obviously crypto, and especially in the last 48 hours. So let's take a look at the charts. Let's go. Okay, so we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You might remember from previous videos, you can register here completely for free and you get all of these Elliott wave updates. Let's click on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I would say we start with the Ethereum chart without delay. Here you can see that the market plunged into our support region. The scenarios actually don't need to change, but obviously the decline now, the move down deep into our support zone, which was communicated before, it has made a bearish scenario more likely. At least it puts a bearish alternative onto the chart. You might remember from previous updates, we talked about, okay, either we get another dip into the green support zone or we break out directly. The direct breakout to the upside was not the preferred interpretation based on probabilities. We expected, I think with a 60% probability, another dip into the trading area. That dip happened. Yeah, 60% is not like 90%, but still, the move down shouldn't have come unexpected. Now, the thing is, we now have to be watching if the price can actually hold support. The trading area, the support area is highlighted here in green, is defined between 1,813 and 2,807. What we'd like to see now here is a reaction, an impulsive reaction to the upside, which would lead to a start of a third wave rally. This will become far less likely below $1,813, and the invalidation for this scenario will occur below the $1,522 level. So we see that, however, only with a 35% likelihood, which means we see it with a 65% likelihood that we get the direct breakout to the upside. At the same time, at least when I record this video here, there is no evidence that the low is in, but this is the area where a wave 2 should form a low, and the wave 2 prepares the market for a third wave rally. A lot of people get bearish in a wave 2 and then they have to chase in a third wave rally. So let's go to the 8-hour chart. Here you see a little bit more detail, but the levels are the same. The levels are the same. So it is still outlined here that this is a wave 2 pullback. The next micro support, you could say, is at $2,072 and then 1,813. Now, technically below that box, the 1-2 setup isn't invalidated, but it will be invalidated below the $1,522 level. What you see here on the smaller time frame chart as well is the additional support levels that we have, $1,370 and $1,074. If we now see a surge and the breakout above 4,091, then it is likely that the third wave is unfolding. So we need some kind of a signal, even like a reversal from our trading area. Now, I want to mention all of these levels because crypto is so volatile. So when you watch the video, maybe things have already changed. So if you're aware of the levels, then you can understand what the implications are. I would say now we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and here on the Bitcoin chart also the scenario hasn't changed. You might also remember here from the last update that we expected another dip into the trading area with a 60% likelihood. The 47,000 level is the last reliable support for a wave 4 pullback, and the next move up would be a wave 5 of a larger third wave, and then another 4-5 pattern could unfold here. Next resistance is around 73,808, and the next support is obviously here $47,000. Below that, 38,540. Now we currently see it with a 65% likelihood as given that we break out to the upside. But a break below the red line, as you can see here on the chart, will be the invalidation for that direct upside thesis. And we would then have to say that, okay, the less probable scenario is playing out. In this case, we're dealing with a 1-2 setup, which would also still be overall bullish, but the market would have to test a lower support area defined between $22,000 to $29,244 in a larger wave 2 correction, which we could specify a bit further once we see a break below the upper trading area, the upper support area. Now let's go here also to the 4-hour chart. There isn't anything new to see here other than the microstructure is still defined as a WXY structure, and in the Y wave we have an ABC structure. Other interpretations of the microstructure definitely valid. What I want to highlight here just is again the 47,000 level, the importance of it. A break below it will lead to a test of the invalidation point, and an upside breakout point is defined at 73,808, which means Yes, a lot of people are panicking at the moment. Yes, there has been a lot of volatility and a strong sell-off in the crypto market, but overall the market hasn't given us any evidence that we have to be more bearish. The current decline, at least when we look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, they are still covered by our scenarios. So that's the update about Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, very important, and also let me know in the comments if you are interested in certain cryptocurrencies, tech stocks also. What we also thought about is maybe to record a tutorial video about Elliott Wave. So let me know in the comments if you'd be interested to learn more about Elliott Wave. Then we'll get to work on that. Okay, have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.